did not even use fire at all. You can see how hard it is. If I need to cut, I didn't use fire at all. If you think you still want it to be stronger than this, you can put on the fire, but I didn't use fire here. My soup came out fine. Beautiful. So here is it. If you think you still want it to be stronger, you can add fire. So I did this with just 300 ml of oil, 200 ml of palm kernel oil, 200 ml of palm oil, and 100 ml of palm kernel oil. So you see how beautiful it is. Brown soap. So just go and improvise and do something. I did use fire, but you can decide to use fire if you want it to be stronger than this. So please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share. Please hit that notification bell so that YouTube notifies you each time I upload valuable training like this. Thank you so much and God bless you.